Summer, summer, summertime. Hi Lovies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Fumi Ford, wife, mom, content creator based out of Birmingham, Alabama. But she's a Niger babe. Nigerian born. My channel is all things fashion, beauty, travel, entrepreneurship, and luxury. If that sounds like something you'd be interested in, please think about hitting that subscribe button. I would love to have you as part of our growing community. Today's going to be a long video, so we're not going to get into a lot of talking. Let's just talk about some of my summer faves so far. Summer was like a week ago, 2 days ago, I'm not sure, but I bought some items that I'm really loving for the summer, and I really want to get into it and show you. All of these items will be in the description box if you want to shop along with me and join along with this obsession and this addiction. Grab your man's credit card. Let's go shopping. First item, Kayali. Baby, I start off with a bang. A shabang bang. Kayali Yum Pistachio. Yum, yum, yum. Ooey, ooey, gooey, gooey, gooey. Perfect for the summer. It is pistachio gelato, hazelnut, sweet rum, whipped cream, marshmallow, cotton candy. I am not a fragrance girl that likes sweet, sweet, sweet scents. But when I tell you this young pistachio is an amazing scent, 1000%. I've already done a video on my top summer fragrances. I'll link it up top. But when I tell you this one, add it to your list. It's sensual. It's cool. It's deep, but it's not dark. It's perfect for summer. It is like you walk into a confectionery shop in South London or London. I don't know anything about London. Why am I saying London? In France. I've been to London, been to France. I can see your underpants, whatever. It's like you walk into like a candy shop, Edgar's in Birmingham, Alabama, and you smell all the depth, the richness. You walk into a gelato shop while you're in Paris and you smell the cones, the waffle cones being made, the gelato, the pistachio, the cream, the baby. Decadence is what I describe this Kayali. Now, I haven't been a big fan of Kayali fragrances. They're a little bit too sweet and one tonal, like they don't have any depth to them. This one, 10 out of 10. When I tell you this pistachio is amazing, another thing that I like about it is it's a good layering fragrance. It's light enough that you can layer it with other scents. You can find other scents that have rum or whipped cream or marshmallow or cotton candy and layer it with it. So that is the first item that I've purchased the beginning of summer that I'm absolutely obsessed with. This is going to be, baby, the fragrance de irresistance, okay? 10 out of 10. Highly, highly, highly recommend it. The packaging is beautiful. I'll put the notes to the side. Since we're on the fragrance trend, let's get into her. Perfume de Marley Delina. Now, I didn't get the Delina exclusive because I don't like how it's sprayed on me. When I sprayed it on the tester, it was beautiful. When I sprayed it on my skin, it ended up smelling powdery. And I don't like powdery scents. And for some reason, on me, it just did not work as well with my body chemistry. But the Delina, the regular Delina, not the exclusive, absolutely perfection. The bottle is everything a girl could dream of. Look how beautiful the bottle is. Just absolutely gorgeous. Pink, bubblegum, fun, 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 fun. Let's look at some of the fragrance notes. Hopefully they have it at the back. No, they don't. I just wish they would put the fragrance notes on these bottles. So it is Turkish Rose, Lily of the Valley, Peony. It's a fruity trio of lychee, rhubarb, and bergamot. Oh my God, with nutmeg. It's the bergamot that's really getting me. So the top notes are rhubarb, lychee, bergamot essence. Heart notes are Turkish rose, peony, and vanilla. And base notes are cashmere, musk, and vetiver. This thing is absolutely sensational. If you're looking for just a really, really good signature scent, I feel like this is a really great signature scent. This is one that you could wear all year round almost. I feel like I would wear this more so. Okay, so the exclusive I would wear more so in the fall. This one I feel like you can wear all year around. Like, it's the perfect signature fragrance. As soon as I open the bottle, I haven't even sprayed it. It smells oh so delicioso. So it's another summer fragrance that I am absolutely like encapsulating is not a word. But can we ask Webster to make encapsulatingly a word, because I feel like encapsulatingly just encapsulates everything. That is the second perfume that I bought. Have y'all, I started out buying perfumes last month. I started out with 3 perfumes. I can't even tell you how many I have now. That's the problem with addiction. That's the problem with addictiones. Once you start, it's like you can't stop. Now look at me. I picked up something else. Hey, pray for me, Iradi. Okay, the next one that I got is, and I just bought this one. I actually just bought the 3 of them. I bought them at the same time. This is Initio this is Atomic Rose by Initio. Also, I wish these fragrance people would just put what the fragrance, like, just put a sheet of paper with the notes in the box. Like, how hard would... I just added something else in my bag. I'm going to remove it. Don't worry. I'm not going to buy anything else. Y'all, we're in this together. We're not shopping anymore. If you're not shopping anymore, give me a shopping bag and say we're not shopping anymore. Comment below. We're not shopping anymore. Okay, so the keynote in Atomic Rose by Initio is Italian bergamot. Y'all know bergamot. If you don't know Fumi, know that her middle name is Fumi Bergamot Ford. Italian bergamot, Bulgarian rose, Turkish rose, Egyptian jasmine, and vanilla Madagascar. This scent is rich. This scent is deep. This scent is heaty. I'm headed on a date night with my husband tonight. This is what I'm going to be wearing. This scent is, everybody's turning around to smell who you are. Out of the 3, if I had to talk about a scent that makes head turn, ooh, is that that will make heads turn. Okay, if I had to talk about a fragrance that will make heads turn, this is it. This is one that will make heads turn. This thing is so rich, so much depth to it. The rose is so pronounced. That Turkish rose is so pronounced. It's so beautiful. It's like a beautiful symphony that's playing different notes at one time. This is also a signature scent. I feel like this is a scent that you could say, this is my scent. Nobody else is going to be known for this but me and the other hundreds of thousands of people that have also bought the scent. So, she's a cutie. A scent that I have been really thinking about buying is Valaya. I bought a tester because I wanted to try it out for a couple of days. All my scents, I'll get a tester, try it out for a week. If it doesn't give me a headache, I'll go back and buy it. So this is the next one that's on my list of scents to go buy if I actually like it and it doesn't give me a headache. So comment below. Let me know which one of these scents that you own and which ones you think I should go try as well. Let's get into the summer heel that I just bought. 2 summer heels that I just bought. I'll start off with the more affordable one, and that is these Steve Madden heels. They kind of look like the designer. I forgot the name of the designer, but I'll put the shoe to the side. They are a dupe. Of course, it's Steve Madden. Of course, it's a dupe. They're a dupe for a designer brand. They are Barbie pink, great for the summer. One thing I'll tell you about these shoes is if you are not good walking in heels, these are not going to be the shoes for you. They have no ankle straps, so you have to hold on like you're holding on to the grace of Almighty God. Do you get what I mean? Like, you got to hold on to this thing like you're holding on to that 6-figure, 6'5", 10-inch man. If you know, you know. They are so gorgeous. I'm going to bring it closer. Look at that beautiful, beautiful bubblegum pink, a little bit of a peep toe. And again, the heel is substantial, but not too much. The issue is there's nothing holding your ankle in, so you have to grip the shoe by the strength of your mind. And I love that because they are, when I say they're sexy, they are sexy shoes. But they are a designer dupe. If you don't want to spend the money, go to Steve Madden, buy these. I think they come in other colors, but I will link them down below. Next shoe that I got is from Saks, and it is on sale. So I ended up getting it for less expensive. I ended up getting it for like $700, a little bit under $800 from Saks Fifth. And they are these Saint Laurent pumps. I'll put the name and the price down at the bottom. I don't know what the name of the shoe is. I just know when I saw it, I loved it. It's like, it's given Fran Drescher. If you guys don't remember Fran Drescher from The Nanny, she wore a lot of leopard print. I feel like This is a shoe she would have gotten in her heyday. The heel is pretty substantial. It is a gorgeous sling back. That's it. Sling back heel. Very comfortable to walk in, but if you're not used to a tall heel height, it is very, very tall. I love like the toe box, how it's a little bit longer, so it elongates your legs and your feet a little bit more if you're on the shorter side. Love that it's like a pattern as well, so it's very easy to clean off. I love the square toe box right here, and I love the strap. It's very strong, so it's gonna hold on to your ankles, the back of your ankles, pretty well. So just beautiful, beautiful shoe. And I know we think leopard for fall and winter, but baby, leopard is all year round. Leopard is a print that's trending right now in the summer, so definitely grab your leopard dress, leopard shoes, leopard jacket, or something. Just accent it with a little bit of leopard. I'm not saying leopard head to toe. You're not frame dresser, don't do that. Unless you're going to Fashion Week, then definitely do it. But these shoes are absolutely terrific. I would style it with a little baby doll dress with the sling backs just kind of being like that piece de resistance. The next items that I got are 2 dresses from the brand Dream Sister Jane. I've had these dresses for a while, and when I tell you I've been wearing it, I've been wearing it. These dresses are just gorgeous. I've actually styled it for the internet, and then I wore it to a couple of events. I'll put pictures and videos to the side. But you would think these would be awful materials for the summer. They are heavy, but they are light at the same time. I don't know how they did it. It's black, it's green, it buttons in the front, but it's short. It is a short dress. If you're a little bit taller, keep in mind, it is a short dress. You'll see on the video where it comes to me. It comes like right above my knees, and then when I belt it, it goes even shorter. These dresses are gorgeous. I've seen tall girls in it, and I've seen short girls in it. It is a quarter length sleeve, so keep that in mind. No, this one is long sleeve. It's long sleeved. And again, just absolutely gorgeous. I love the pleats on the bottom. I don't know if y'all can see it, but look at the gorgeous like little pleating on the bottom, as well as the asymmetrical cut. So it's a little bit longer on the back than it is on the front. It is just a beautiful, beautiful dress. I liked it so much. I ended up buying 2 of them from the brand. This one is more a brocade material, so it's a little bit thicker, but it is a shorter sleeve than the other one. The neck on this one is not a button down. It's more like a rounded neck with a little bit of stretch to it. And again, it's a short dress and a little bit shorter than the first one. But I ended up belting this one for an even cuter look. They are absolutely gorgeous dresses. You would not think summer because they look heavy, but once you put them on, they are not that heavy. They are lined, so you don't have to worry about it being see-through. Let's look at the next dresses. They are from Urban Revivo, and it's a brand that's like fast fashion, but very well-made material. I first saw it on Janae Naylor, and ever since then, I've really been buying from the brand. I ended up getting 2 dresses from them. This is a lightweight, sort of like nylon material, so it's very light. I wore it to Disney, loved it. It buttons down, it has a drop waist, and then it ties as well. And it doesn't really tie, it like buckles, but I ended up tying it because I don't really like the buckle, so I ended up just tying it. Again, it is a drop waist, so it can tend to be a little bit unforgiving if you have like a bigger stomach or if you're a little bit curvier. One thing I will say about this is very, very, very short. So keep that in mind, baby. If you got booty, the cheeks are out. So I would definitely say with all of Urban Revival's things, if you're a little bit thicker, please size up. Like, I don't know how much you yell it. Like, go up 2 sizes because it's gonna be small. Like, Urban Revival makes their items very, very small. So size up a size or 2. Don't say I didn't warn you. Don't say I didn't warn you. And then the last item that I got is also this drawstring nylon summer dress. It's also long sleeve, but it is nylon, so you don't have to worry about it being like so thick and so hot. It drawstrings in the middle, and it is, again, short. That's the theme of these dresses. Say it with me. We're showing our legs this summer. Say it with me. We're showing our legs and we're showing our arms this summer. Nobody's going to keep us from showing what God has given us. We're busting out with it. So those are the items that I've gotten so far for the summer. This was a quick haul, pretty short, not that long, but I did get some amazing items that I'm very excited to style and to wear for Essence and just around town, and some beautiful, beautiful scents that I can spray, turn heads with. So I know these items are going to be a part of my summer rotation. I'm so excited to have them. If you own any of these, comment below. Let me know how you like it. I will link all these items again down below in the description so that you can join this addiction with me. So thank you so much for joining me on this corner of the internet. If you enjoyed this video and you're not subscribed, please think about becoming a part of our amazing community. If you're not following me on Instagram, TikTok, on all my other social media platforms, it is Fumi Ford across all platforms. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for coming and spending time with me on this corner of the internet. Love you, mean it. Bye.